All right, so last weekend I planted the Siberian garlic, and now the rest of my garlic came in. And what do we got here? Oh, is my mole back? I don't see a hole. I wouldn't doubt it. Okay, so the rest of my garlic came in, so we're going to get that planted. I got 3 more varieties to add to the collection. This one I'm familiar with. It's a red chestnut. These powerful, super strong. You open the package and you know you got garlic. I've got these ones here. Beautiful, big garlic. These are early purple Italian. So that should be interesting. These I've grown before. These are soft neck garlic. Soft neck compared to hard neck. And these are the California soft neck. So I've got lots of those. Got a few of those, and I got some of those. So again, I'm gonna rework the land and get it all leveled off, string the lines, and plant the garlic. So I'll get this all worked up and I'll be back. So I got some more worked up and more or less leveled. So now I'm gonna move my string. My framing hammer is 16 inches. So we're gonna go 16 inches over. Right there. And I'll move the other one. And then I'll be back since I can't pound this in with one hand. So there you have it. Planted Siberian garlic last Sunday, and this weekend planted the red chestnut, the California softneck, and the early purple Italian. So 6 rows, not bad start. It is only January, just getting things going here. So that'll be it for this video, the garlic planting, and there'll be another video coming up shortly with some other stuff. So as usual, like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and let's grow some food.